Hello everyone. So how are you going to save your unfinished website? So if you are creating a website and the day is not enough to finish it, so how are you going to do that? Okay, so let's know. So this is the website editor. So let's say that you have had changed uh, its contents. So you can click save. Okay, upon clicking that, you will be asked to get a free Wix.com domain or connect your own customized domain. Okay, so if you don't have a premium plan yet, just click this one and save and continue. Okay, so in that way, your your work has been changed and you can continue um, working in this website again once you are ready. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and click the subscribe button as well. Thank you very much.